The very worn out Brisbane elevator's hydraulic. At UQ Conference Centre Building 21C. No chime. Not door closed. God things. That didn't even close, did it? Oh, it did. Just level 4's locked. That door does not close properly.
Level 2. Level 3.
What if this thing will be replaced? Do you hear? Salient? Salient, salient, nothing. Cab. I'm pretty sure this is the Brisbane elevators. Yeah, this thing's
Level 2.
kind of needs replacing, honestly.
Level 1.
That pump looks very old. Wow. Wow, very fast startup. No, it's level 4. Maybe I should have read that before trying to go there. Lift 89.
Level 3.
Definitely not lift number 1, that's for sure.